I don't have anything for lunch, but I have here still in my cupboard a decent amount of pasta, some beans from the garden, and in my fridge, Parmesan cheese and creme fraiche. Let's see what I can do with them. You're watching Channel 1 and this is the cooking series. Let's join Romilo at his small kitchen. Good afternoon to you. It's Sunday afternoon here in Holland and I just arrived from the church. I'm hungry and I need to have a quick lunch. And I want something warm. I want something quick, but yet satisfying. So I thought of looking around and searching my refrigerator and my cupboard what is available. And I'm happy I found this. We'll be cooking pasta with beans. It might sound as a surprise to you, beans or pasta with beans. It might sound as a surprise to you, but in Italy, for example in Liguria, they even mix potato and beans with pasta. We will be doing that, but instead of the pesto that I usually use, we'll be using creme fraiche. I'll present the rest of the ingredients. For this quick recipe, we'll be needing, of course, pasta, whatever that is, macaroni, fettuccine, or spaghetti. It doesn't matter. Beans, I have here runner beans, but French beans will do, whatever type of beans you have, even sitaw that you have in the Philippines, or habichuelas will do. Creme fraiche, and of course, as in any pasta recipe, we need Parmesan cheese or Parmigiano. Oil and salt for boiling the pasta, and of course pepper. Let's boil the macaroni. Just follow what's in the package. Some salt, and to keep them from sticking with one another, oil. Let's boil this for 12 minutes according to the package. And while waiting for that to cook, I'll devein my beans. It's good to wash the vegetables first. By the way, I harvested them yesterday. Saturday is usually morning gardening day. And the very meager harvest that I have. I don't need this, by the way. Once the spaghetti is about to cook, I mean halfway, I can add this. Let's add the vegetables now. Perhaps around 4 minutes, they will be cooked. You'll be surprised how easy this recipe is. Imagine, just boil spaghetti with vegetables. Then we add cream cheese, salt and pepper, and Parmesan cheese. To our mothers out there, this is a good option to spaghetti with meat as a treat to the children. Children would usually eat vegetables, but thank you to this cream, it will make vegetable appeal to children. Of course, this has no sugar. It's savory. It's not sweet compared to the Jollibee spaghetti that most children would cry for. The spaghetti and the beans are cooked now. I don't have to wash them or to rinse them with cold water. I want them to be served hot. I don't have a hot sauce, so it's best to keep it, or the mixture, warm and wet. As I've said earlier, creme fraiche, preferably full cream, and cream cheese. Romulo, it's Parmesan cheese, not cream cheese. It's Parmesan cheese. Some salt, pepper. You should be doing this last, salt and pepper. Cream. And Parmesan cheese. The heat of the pasta and the beans dissolves the cream cheese. I usually use that much for 4 portions, but having extra cream would be good, although it's not healthy. It will make your dish even heavenlier. I'm a bit short of beans, but it will be alright. It's the only beans I have. Oh, there's 2 more here. Let's give it a taste. Creamy. And this is our quick pasta with beans alla Liguria. Well, a bit. Thank you for joining your Kuya here on Channel 1 in our cooking series. I'd like to have you again next time, either here, at the kitchen, or at the garden. Diyos tagbati.